Hi, I'm Tammy with TNT Customs with the Inside Scoop, and today we're going to go talk directly to the guys who get it done. Follow me.
I'm Jake. I am the, we can say, lead fabricator here at TNT Customs.
And how long have you been working here?
Almost 3 years.
And you have a background in fabrication?
Yeah, education, I guess is the best way to put it. I went to school for welding, started out oil and gas, and then got hired on here and definitely grew my fabrication skills here at TNT. This is a TJ fender, a 4.5-inch TJ fender, and the cool thing about it is that was flat sheet of metal, straight piece of tube, and we've built something that really gives a Jeep some characteristic, really gives a TJ some flair. I mean, sarcastically, no pun intended.
Right.
But gives it that TNT look, right? And it's cool to say that you know, let's say the flares that go on a Jeep that gets posted on Instagram, that gets posted on YouTube, we can say that we did it. That's a piece of TNT out there that.
And this is total custom that you guys.
Absolutely.
And you get to play a role in that.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, a lot of the R&D, a lot of the design is from Bob or from Jason, but hands-on, most of it's all, you know, us back here.
It's a team.
Yeah, it really is. It takes quite a lot of steps from the computer to our plas table to the brake to welding and fitting. So, you know, it definitely has to work. We definitely have to work as a team, right?
And you got all these cool
from saws
toys
to press brakes to tube benders, notchers, welders, you know, you name it. It's all the stuff that's essential to make a product like that.
I'm Tammy. What's your name?
I'm Tyler.
Tyler, and how long have you worked here at TNT?
I've been here for 1.5 years now.
So, what do you like about working at TNT?
Usually, all the people around here I like. You know, they're friendly, they're nice, they're knowledgeable with all their Jeep parts and stuff.
Do you get to learn a lot of cool stuff that you didn't know before?
Yeah, I've learned a lot about, you know, assembling our parts and our arms and stuff. I've how to spray bed liners and basically putting on bumpers and stuff that I never usually did.
So you even like Bob?
He's all right.
He's all right.
Yeah. No, Bob's cool.
And who do we have over here?
I'm Dustin.
Dustin, hey Dustin, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So how long have you worked here?
Just about 2 years.
2 years? What did you do before that?
I owned a diesel performance shop in Colorado.
So you have great background knowledge here.
Yeah.
So what do you like about working here at TNT?
You never know what's going to walk through that door. There might be some weird things like we're putting this cover on right now, so it's new and exciting, I guess.
And this cover here, this looks like a serious cover.
Yeah, you can pull a four-wheeler on top. It's supposed to be like pretty much indestructible.
So what about the people here?
They're good. They're nice and friendly, and anything we ever need, they will help us.
What's your name?
Alex Anderson.
Alex. What do you do?
I bend all the pieces together and then weld it up.
So you do help with the fabrication of the parts?
Yep.
And how do you like working here at TNT?
Bitchin'. Well, am I allowed to say that?
Yeah, you can say whatever you want. What do you like about it?
I don't know. I've always worked with a bunch of mom and pop shops, and so I don't know. They treat me really good here, so
Cool.
pretty cool people. Some of the stuff that we build too is really badass.
Right. How do you feel about working here?
I love it. There's definitely a passion for the off-road, right? And this is the perfect place, like I said, to grow that skill set, to learn a lot. I mean, there's a lot to be learned here, from just fabrication to anything, whether it is suspension geometry, whether it is, you know, how these vehicles work. And then on top of that, getting to play around with this type of stuff, whether it's, you know, Jeeps, trucks, anything of that nature. It's fun to be able to make it work. So I think the big one is I enjoy it, and there's a heavy passion for what I do and what we do here. Right?
And that's what it's all about. It's your passion
Absolutely.
for whatever,
Yeah.
because we feel the same passion as Jeep owners as Toyota owners.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So that's the commonality.
The camp spot doesn't change whether it's
Right.
a Jeep, Bronco, Toyota.
Right.
You know, that first crack of a whatever your favorite beverage is in front of that fire at that perfect lake spot, or the obstacle that you're trying to climb over, whether it's IFS or solid axle, I think it's just a passion of what we do, and of course, you know, mastering your terrain.
To learn more about all the great products at TNT Customs, head over to their website at tntcustoms.com.